barely showing up. I'll miss the regular weekends. Don't tell me way too much, I never know if you mean it. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Sisig na worth 350 pesos. And yung inihaw,
medyo mahal yun
na dalawang isaw manok, isang baboy, isang hotdog na worth 190 pesos. Then yung rice is 15 pesos.
Guys, we're walking. Good morning.
Morning. So,
it's 8, pero medyo mainit na.
Yeah.
The sun is out. Ayan, pero syempre compared sa LU, love, mas less tao talaga dito.
Yeah, mas chill. Ito mo super tahimik,
mas
diba?
chill. Pero same lang ng sun, diba? May pinasukan kaming resort kasi tatagos kami dun saan. Nakita ko na to, love. Super lapit niya lang sa beachfront, guys.
Pero nung unang stay namin.
Yeah. Kasang araw.
Good job, Bebo.
Na-realize ko, yun ang pala maging island or beach.
Saan dyan?
Sibi-sibi ka niya hindi.
Biglang tinakil ako na para kami nasa American football at putik. Gano'n ka grabe.
Yun sa afternoon, nakagising na namin sa Shasta. So, balik na naman kami sa buhay turista.
Buhay marino.
Buhay beach. Beach people. Hirap talaga. Pag may asawa ang demand.
Oh? May demanding.
Anyway, for our meriendas by the beach. Paano bukas? Paano pag di bukas? Ito pala. So, yeah.
Mukhang bukas siya. So,
best daw to. Here. Welcome. Hi, Dogo! Si Cafe de Liwa.
Oh, I can just see her, so beautiful and sweet, with her hair and her actions more tame. She's probably less damaged and has a nice family, though my brothers would have loved you the same.
morning! So, aga namin today. It's 6:30 pa lang. Kasi, ang mission ay gawin yun.
Ito yung break dalawa. Hindi naman yung ano na break niya. Pag hindi
Hi guys! Tumingin ka baka magpasagasaan. Madali lang. 30 minutes. Pero pinigil tayo naririnig kasi masyado.
Madali lang siya guys.
Pero try ko rin.
Yan na, si Madam Baby na po magta-try. Ikaw na! Timang! Gaganunin mo! Baliktad, paatras! Yan!
So why can't we just take control? We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this dark, broke shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now. Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow.
Kaming huling pagbabayan patroller. Nasa dulo na kami ng liw-liwa.
Waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow, but I can't wait no more.
So thank you for watching our vlog.
I hope you enjoy guys.
Yeah, so pauwi na kami. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And click that bell to be notified sa aming future posts. Medyo chill lang tayo since bawal maingay.
Yeah.
So see you guys.
So
Peace.
abangan niyo yung next namin vlog. Ang aming pagiging
Bayan Patroller.
here in Liwliwa, Zambales.
And guys, stay safe. Peace.
Paano kung hindi pala na-record?
Okay na, 2.
Ow!